Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at our 30 capacity mic stand workstation. So this is designed to be an all-encompassing storage solution for microphones and stands. So the idea here is that we have individualized compartments right here that hold 30 microphone stands. There's a nice work surface right here, and there are also 3 storage drawers for microphones. So this particular case is designed to live in backstage applications. And for that reason, we do have a LED light that is mounted on the top here. And this is a fully color changing unit. So if you want to make it red or blue so that you keep your backstage night vision, you can. That particular light is accessed by our DSK-SM switch module, which this is a new box for us. The past couple of videos we've had out have actually had these. So this is designed to be a multi-purpose box. It has a Decora punch that's on the interior here, or excuse me, the exterior here, that can fit a variety of things. So in this particular application, this box comes standard with a white illuminated rocker switch. The logic here is, if you're in a backstage application, the easiest thing to see is going to be white. It's a contrasting color, and then to add to visibility, we also spec an illuminated switch. But if you'd like to use this particular box on another type of install, it fits anything in the Decora family of outlets. So if you want to have an outlet there, or you want to have USB specific charging outlets, you can. Power is fed into it from the output is here on the top that goes to the light, and the input is on the bottom. If you want to use this as a stage stringer, you can. There's a cable gland in there right now, but it is a standardized D-punch, so that if you did want to use, say, a power con as an example, you can. So the work surface here is carpet lined. And it also has a nice little lip that goes around here, the idea being if the Workbox is on an uneven surface, your microphone isn't going to roll off. And the idea of carpet, which you don't really see so much these days, is just so that when you set mics down, it's a nice soft surface. And then the other thing is if you're working on, say, a very delicate condenser microphone or something like that that has tiny little screws, the carpet will kind of prevent them from running away on you. The mic stand compartments here, there are 30 individual mic stand compartments. The front 5 are designed for low pro stands with the balance for a standard tripod stand with a boom arm attached. So each one of these dividers are made out of 1/2-inch marine grade plastic. They do, again, as an individual compartment, these go all the way down, so no matter how the case is packed, your stands aren't going to bang into each other. So below the main work surface here, we do have a 2U rack section. The idea for this is to have a spot for power distribution. We have 2 separate models of power distributors in mind for this. They each have 4 Decora outlets, or Decora punches in them. We have a standardized one that just has USB-A and just standard AC outlets, so you get 8 USB-As and 8 ACs with 2 PowerCon outputs. And then we have one that is configurable, so you can spec it however you'd like. If you want to have USB chargers or USB-C chargers or just outlets, you can spec that however you want. And then also we do have a full line of 4 Plex courtesy boxes that can provide additional power. So just check the product description below for those. Let's take a look at our drawers here. So taking a look at our top drawer here, the drawer is built out of 1/2-inch Baltic birch. It's mounted on heavy-duty Accuride glides, pretty much like every drawer we make, except for these. We call these our A-series drawer. Now, we use the A-series drawer in our 30 capacity mic workbox, which you're looking at right now, and again on our standard series workboxes. So these are a drawer that we build in bulk. We generally will do runs of these at a time. It's a standardized drawer. It's just a lot easier and more efficient to build things, and we can usually get things out a little bit quicker in standardized formats. So that's our A-series drawer. So to complement our A-series drawer, we have a 30 capacity removable mic insert. So with the 30 cap mic stand workstation, you can see the recurring theme of 30 here. There's 30 mic stands and then 30 dynamic mics. You get one of these. Now this is available as a standalone part for us, so that if you do want to order these, again, just check the description below and you can get this. It fits in this case and our standard series workboxes that use A-series drawers. So the idea here is this fits what we like to call bread and butter mics. So, you know, any dynamic mic that you would use, a 58 being, you know, the most obvious example. But it also fits, you know, kind of odd-shaped mics like a D6. It will also fit, of course, a 57 or even a 609 for guitar amps. So the idea here is the insert is removable. So that if you're wiring a stage, and this is say in the wings or backstage, you can pull this mic insert with you and either leave it upstage or downstage, and while you're wiring the stage, you can have a good majority of your microphones with you. That way you don't have to have a big armful of mics. So the way that this is built out of PE foam. So this is the denser of the commonly used foams in the road case industry, so that over time it won't get weird and flake on you. And then the sides are reinforced with 1/4-inch marine grade plastic, and then the whole insert is wrapped in carpet with 2 strap handles there with a piece of 1/4-inch marine grade plastic on the bottom. So again, this is supposed to be a durable item so that you can, you know, it can be very heavy loaded with mics and you can kind of throw it around the stage, and it will not get flimsy on you over time. So let's take a look at the bottom 2 drawers. So all 3 drawers in this system are exactly the same size. The bottom 2 drawers are just open. The idea here is this is going to hold condenser mics or, you know, larger specialty kind of microphones, DI boxes, that kind of thing. So, so that you don't ruin the bottom of the drawer because it's very pretty, we do have a loose piece of carpet in there. Now, I did mention above that our 30 cap mic insert for dynamic mics. We also have a few other different options for drum-specific microphones. As an example, it will hold a 604, a Beta 52, 98s, that kind of thing. And then we also have another one that's designed for DIs, and you know, we have another one for horn mics and that kind of thing. So if you'd like to see what other inserts we have available, you can check that out by going to our web store. The link for that is below. So powering this case, we have a DSK-I series box. That is our inlet. It takes a true 1 inlet and gives you 2 true 1 outlets. So one of the true 1 outlets is occupied by the switch and the light. However, there is an auxiliary one that is available. So if you do want to use one of our 4-plex outlets, you can do that. If you're interested in those, you can check out the link below. And this case does come with a true 1 power cable. It's a 25-foot 12.3 heavy-duty SO cable, just inclusive with the case, so that when you get this, it is plug and play. Now, while we're looking at the back of the case here, you can see that the lid is supported by 3 heavy-duty recessed lid stays. So that wraps up this project spotlight, everybody. If you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. If you'd like to buy this case, you can buy it direct from lmcasesonline.com. And if you'd like to follow us on social media, check out our Instagram page, LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you on the next one.